Hello and welcome everyone. This is Sam Lucido, and in this installment I'm going to show you how to create a line type using the webdings font as your style so you can give that to your special person. So let's get started. We're going to talk about line types just a little bit and then we'll go from there. Hello, I'm going to pull up a PowerPoint slide on a line type definition. Now this is just a text file and I'll show that to you as we get through this demonstration. Actually, I can show it to you right now. There's the text file. So we're going to create something called heart, and it says Happy Valentine's Day as our definition. And you can see the A, the 7, 8. All of these are up in here. Let me close out of there and let's just go through this PowerPoint real quick. A is the alignment. You're going to tell AutoCAD to draw a line 0.5 units. You're going to tell AutoCAD, you're going to pick up the pen, space 0.12. Now you have to enclose the text string in this parameter set. And you see how the parameter set is there? A is what to type for the text. And we're going to use something called the webdings, but we're going to type the letter Y, a capital Y, which will be a heart. The next line is your style. Line types, this was just default line type style. Your height, your scale of the font, the rotation angle, the X offset shifts the text along that axis, the Y offset. The upright variable was introduced in AutoCAD 2011 where you always have your text upright. And then it tells AutoCAD to place a space 0.12 units. We're back in AutoCAD, and now what we want to do is actually make our line type file. It's a text file. You can use Notepad, Word, whatever you want to use. So we're going to bring it up here, and I use Notepad. So we have heart, which is the name of the line type. Happy Valentine's Day is the definition, and you'll see my parameters here like we spoke about. And we're going to, the capital Y is the heart, and web lines is our text style. X offset, Y offset, and the upright variable. So we created that and saved it to extension LIN. So what I want to do now is make sure my drawing has the style set up, web lines. Remember, it has to be the style. You're going to get an invalid function if it's not there. So we have that set up. Now what we're going to do is actually create a layer called heart. And you see we have our line type on there. And we're going to double click it right here to make it our current layer. We have to make sure our line type is loaded. Hit load, find your file, hit OK. There it is, loaded. I'm just reloading what I already had in there, and you can see the current line type is there and hit OK. Now I'll just draw a rectangle around my text, and you can see I have a nice, pretty line type. If I draw a circle, you see that upright system variable where the heart is upright. You see how it rotates itself right in here, there and there. So that U variable controls that. So make yourself a heart in AutoCAD and give it to your favorite person at your office. Thank you. It's been a quick tip from Sam Lucido at CAD Pro Tips.